Hello guys, and welcome to another video. In this video, what I will be showing you guys is how you can switch your Facebook account in Monopoly Go. Each account is connected to a unique Facebook account and cannot be connected to more, so if you want a new game, what you will need to do is to switch your Facebook account. You do this by first disconnecting your Facebook account from your actual game which you're currently playing, and how you do that is by entering the menu in the top right. As you can see, there are three horizontal bars, and to actually disconnect your accounts, you want to click on them. Once you do, you will see this menu, and what you want to do next is click on the settings tab. Then you click on the green connect account button, and you want to disconnect your Facebook and your Google Play accounts from your current game. Now, once you do that, you will still be logged into your game, and I will show you how you can completely disconnect and log into a new Facebook account. Alright guys, so I have entered my settings on my phone, and to actually delete my data, I want to go to apps, and once you're in apps, you want to find Monopoly Go and enter that application's options. Once you're in there, you want to navigate to storage, and in the storage, you will probably have an option to clear your data, guys. Now, keep in mind, this will not delete your progress. Your progress will be saved to the Facebook account that this is connected to, and each time you log in, you will be given an option to continue your progress. Now, to actually connect a new account, what you need is an account on Facebook that actually does not play Monopoly Go. So you either want to create it or use an already existing one. If you create a new one, you will have to wait some time before you can connect it to Monopoly Go. But if you connect it, you will be given the option to save your new progress of the restarted game on Monopoly Go. That has been it from me, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you learned something new. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in another video.